That dreamy clawfoot tub might be calling your name, but surprise plumbing costs could be screaming louder. I'll break down what most owners forget when it comes to B&B renovations and how to plan for those sneaky costs. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Thinking of turning that picturesque property into a bed and breakfast? The kind with homemade muffins, antique teacups, and 5-star reviews? Lovely. But before you whip out the bunting and polish this over, there's a less Instagrammable part of the story you need to know. Hidden costs. These aren't the expenses you jot down in your first dreamy spreadsheet. These are the ones that will creep up quietly, like a guest who asks for gluten-free vegan pancakes at 7 a.m. on Monday. If you're not prepared, these costs can eat into your profits and drain your energy before you've even hung up the vacancy sign. In this episode, I'll uncover 5 categories of often overlooked expenses that sneak up on new B&B owners. And better yet, I'll give you practical, experience-backed tips to plan for them. Whether you're still in the planning mode or already knee-deep in reno dust, this guide is your financial flashlight. Renovations always cost more than you think. Let's start with an obvious one. Sort of. Everyone knows you'll need to renovate, but how many actually budget for the second round of fixes? There's the first layer. Fresh paint, plumbing upgrades, adding that ensuite bath. Then come the surprises. The wiring from 1963. The floorboards you didn't realize were almost dust. The minor roof leak that turns into a full replacement after one bad rainstorm. Here's a tip. Add 20 to 30% to whatever quote you get for renovations. This isn't pessimism, it's preparation. One B&B owner I spoke with planned $15,000 for upgrades. He ended up spending $22,000 before guests even stepped through the door. And that was without touching the garden. It's not always dramatic, but it's almost always more than expected. Think of it like making soup. You start with just 1 clove of garlic, and the next thing you know, you've added bay leaves, onions, fresh thyme, and suddenly you need a bigger pot. Licenses, permits, and surprise inspections. You know you need a business license. That's an easy one. But what about health inspections, fire compliance certificates, special use zoning if you're in a residential area? And here's the kicker. Many of these require to be updated every year. And yes, they all come with fees. Check with your local municipality early in the game. Some regions require you to install commercial-grade kitchen equipment. Others need a fire escape plan mounted in each room. Ignoring these not only risks your opening date, it could land you in hot water mid-season. This section gets the full treatment in the Mastering B&B Management Comprehensive Guide to Starting, Running, and Growing Your Bed and Breakfast course. If legal headaches aren't your thing, and whose are, that module is worth its weight in marmalade. Are you dreaming of running your own bed and breakfast, but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Or maybe you're already an owner looking to take your B&B to the next level. Welcome to the Mastering B&B Management Comprehensive Guide to Starting, Running, and Growing Your Bed and Breakfast. This course is a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring and current bed and breakfast owners, featuring 5 modules packed with actionable strategies, expert insights, and interactive resources. Click the link below to start your journey to bed and breakfast success and turn your dream into a reality. Don't wait. Your guests are already waiting for you. The soft stuff still costs real money. Toiletries, bedding, towels, welcome baskets. You want guests to feel pampered, but you're also stocking what's basically a mini hotel, and it doesn't stop there. Cleaning products, industrial qualities, mattress protectors, don't skip them. Breakfast supplies, high quality, high cost, bathroom rolls. You'll go through more than a family of 5 on taco night. Your pro tip? Buy these in bulk. Places like Costco might become your second home. And don't forget the cost of laundry, especially if you're using an outside service. If guests will touch it, sleep on it, or eat it, it'll cost you more than you think. Booking software and digital tools add up. You're probably not coding your own website, right? And that's good. But modern guests expect seamless booking, instant confirmation, and easy online check-in. This means investing in tools like booking engines integrated with your site, channel managers to sync bookings across platforms, property management systems to handle calendars, invoicing, etc. Email automation tools. The basic plans here are affordable, 10 here, 20 there. But with all the platforms combined, you could easily spend $150 plus per month just to stay organized. Worth it? Absolutely. But budget for it. The emotional toll, and yes, this costs too. Burnout isn't on the balance sheet, but it should be. If you push too hard early on, you'll pay for it in mistakes, cancellations, or worse, poor reviews. Hiring part-time help or even just a cleaner once a week might feel indulgent, but it protects your most important asset, you. Don't forget, if you go down, the whole B&B goes down with you. You dream of sunny porches and happy guests, but there's a to-do list taped to the fridge. Get your B&B Starter Blueprint download. It's how you start smart, not scrambled. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. What's one hidden cost you didn't expect when starting your B&B? Share in the comments. Here are your 5 takeaways from this episode. Renovations always cost more. Budget for surprises. Licensing is layered, not ongoing. Consumables eat into your budget fast. Software subscriptions sneak up. Your energy is a resource. Protect it. Starting your B&B should feel like opening a door to a new chapter, not slamming into a wall of surprise costs. Being aware of these hidden expenses doesn't take the joy out of the journey, it just gives you better shoes to walk the path. When you plan for the unexpected, you get to enjoy more of the magic. Like hearing a guest say, "This place feels like home." That's when it all clicks. That's when the hard work matters. Need help building your budget? The Mastering B&B Management Comprehensive Guide to Starting, Running, and Growing Your Bed and Breakfast course includes a detailed startup calendar, plus examples from real-life B&Bs. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.